Hey, hi. Today we will learn how to use ChatGPT for PHP code. So we'll just type it. We will start it with the basic one, sign up and registration. So I'll type it like this: sign up and login code in PHP video. So for this one, we have to create a database first. So let's see what ChatGPT. Okay, it has created. Okay, so username, email, and password. So we'll create a database for it. So we'll go to our PHP minus, create new database. We'll call it as a chat GPT. Okay, it's probably exist as a chat only. Okay, so we'll create a table users. We will give it an ID with auto increment. Sorry, it's auto incremented. Username, email, and password. Sorry. Okay, we have created a table. Database name is chat. In that database, we have created a table users. So now we will set the chat GPT script. Okay, it has written a script for us. Okay, we'll copy this script for sign up form. We'll go to our htdoc folder. We'll create here a new folder. I'll just write it as a chat. Okay, in that folder, we will create our sign up and we'll paste this one. Okay, now here's the thing. Its localhost database name is chat. Username. Okay, that's fine. Save this one. We'll copy the login script. Copy the login script. Create a new file. Login. Replace the database name. Save. Okay, we'll check it. So we'll go this. Okay, we do have the two files, sign up and login. First, we will go for sign up. I will add it. So test1.gmail.com. Password is 123. Sign. Okay. Now we'll just browse the database. Yes, we do have the entry and password is encrypted one. So we'll go it for login.php. It's test1 at gmail.com. First, we will enter some random password, anything. Okay, it's incorrect password, so it's Yes, it's login success.